Hello everyone, my name is Karthik H P. I am working as Assistant Professor in School of Agriculture at SR University. My area of expertise is agricultural economics, which deals with economic side of farming, market, agribusiness and rural development. I engage students in the area of agribusiness, agriculture finance and cooperation, focusing both on classroom concepts and real-world applications. Agriculture today is not just about farming, it is about business, technology and innovation. So students should understand the finance, markets and entrepreneurship. So students can turn this knowledge, agriculture knowledge into sustainable business opportunities. In the industry, there is high demand for the agribusiness skills from agro-input sectors, food processing units, supply chains, to startups and corporates. Every sector needs a professional who understand agriculture from a business perspective. This is where our subject plays a vital role. Students in this subject, they are going to learn about Reserve Bank of India, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, government schemes and business strategies. At SR University, learning goes beyond the classroom with experienced faculty, practical training, ICT-enabled learning and strong industry linkages. So after mastering this subject, the students can pursue their careers in agribusiness sectors, food processing units, agro-input sectors or else agro-input companies, NGOs, government sectors and other. Some students can work in the entrepreneurship and they can start their own ventures. Think beyond farming, think economics. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation. Thank you everyone.